Hello, today we will guide you through how to create index page in Confluence. To get started, open your Confluence space and go to the overview page. This is a good starting point because it gives you access to the pages within that space and helps you quickly navigate to the page you want to turn into an index style page. Once you're on the overview page, click on Sample Page. In this example, that's the page being used to create the index. If you're following along in your own workspace, you can use any page where you want readers to easily scan and jump to different sections. An index page is especially useful for organizing long content, internal documentation, or team resources. After opening the page, place your cursor in the editor where you want the index to appear. Then type /table of content. In Confluence, typing a/ opens the Quick Insert menu, which helps you find and add useful elements without digging through multiple toolbars. The Table of Contents option is designed to automatically pull in the headings from your page, which makes navigation much easier for anyone viewing it. When the option appears, click on Table of Contents to insert it into the page. As soon as it's added, Confluence will generate a structured list based on the headings already on the page. This means your page should use clear heading styles for the sections you want included. If your headings are organized well, your index will look cleaner and be more useful. Next, customize the Table of Contents settings using the panel on the right side of the screen. This is where you can adjust how the index appears and behaves. Depending on your version of Confluence, you may see options for which heading levels to include, how the list is displayed, or other formatting preferences. Take a moment here to review the available settings so the index matches the layout and readability you want. As you make changes, keep the page's audience in mind. A simple, clean structure is usually best, especially if the page will be used regularly by a team. If your page has many sections, narrowing the heading levels can help keep the index concise and easy to scan. Once everything looks right, your Confluence page will have a built-in index that helps users move through the content more efficiently. That's all it takes to create an index page in Confluence.